Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can design a L letter logo in Adobe Illustrator. So in my screen, as you can see, I have designed a L letter logo in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to show you that how you can make it. Okay, so firstly delete this. Okay, then firstly you need to take the type tool from the toolbar. Then you have to right here something. Okay, as you can see, you need to select the font Times New Roman here. So as you can see, I have already selected Times New Roman. Okay, I'm taking only the L. Okay, then I'm gonna make it bigger by holding shift button in my keyboard. You have to do it the same. Okay, then you have to select it, then you have to make it create outline. Okay, so then you have to take a ellipse tool here. Okay, then as you can see, I'm gonna take this type of a shape. Okay, then I'm gonna copy it by holding the Alt button. Okay, then Control D. Okay, so I took 3 ellipse shape, so I'm gonna give some colors here. Okay, the second one is this one. Okay, then the third one is this one. Okay, not this one, this one. Okay, okay, now copy this. Okay, drag it in the L letter. Okay, then select all 3 ellipse shape, then you have to rotate this one. Okay, okay, now you have to select the whole shape and the letter, then you have to select shape builder tool from here. Okay, now zoom. For zoom you have to shift control plus. Okay, then hit press Alt button on keyboard, then remove this of one. Okay, so now you have to change the color. Okay, so I'm gonna give it these options a different color. So for that I need to make that okay, firstly I need to select on divide from Pathfinder. Okay, then ungroup. Okay, then ungroup. Okay, as you can see, the all option is now is different, separate from the design. Okay, now I'm going to give it this color. Okay, then I'm going to give it this color, because for giving the color you have to select the eyedropper. Okay, now as you can see, our L letter logo design is shaped. Now you have to select all the option. Now Control Z, which turned into a group. Okay, so now you can change it wherever you want. Okay, so I hope this will help you a lot. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.